If you are looking for ways to save on the cost of your car insurance, then you should keep reading, as there is no better time to save than these hard economic times. Saving on your rates and premium requires taking few steps, such as comparing prices from various companies, type of vehicle you choose, combining your policies, distance you plan to drive, as well as your driving record. The best strategy to save in this regard is to make a comparison of your existing insurance plan against the ones that are available on the market. There are both large and small companies that are always keen on selling you coverage. As a rule, the more you compare and evaluate, the better chance you have of finding the least expensive quote. Moreover, you should only obtain the coverage that is needed, as this is another great money-saving option. You should evaluate to find out what sort of coverage is right for you and what coverage can be omitted. One shouldn't just give up on all their coverage in the hopes of saving money, since there is a high possibility that you might be disappointed with your decision when you have to pay large sums of money out of your pocket. For all those young people who think that it's impossible to get inexpensive car insurance rates, a viable option for them is to select an insurance-friendly car to begin with. Since the insurance companies categorizes cars in terms of the size of engine and speed, just to name a few, getting a lower insurance premium for an 800cc engine is more likely than a 1000 or 1600cc. Even though not many people like to compromise when it comes to the speed of their car, sometimes this is the only feasible option for affordable car insurance rates. Also, as a young driver, you should go through various auto magazines and look for insurance corporations that have special rates for young drivers. If you combine your auto along with homeowners or life insurance policy, you will also be given various discounts on the plans. There are many companies that are quite eager to give you great discount if you choose them to be your sole provider for all your insurance needs. If you only need the car for occasional driving and do not plan to drive excessively, you need to let your provider know, as the rate is significantly lower for those that do not drive a whole lot. As far as these companies are concerned, there is always the risk of accident when you are driving on the road, and if your car is sitting in the parking lot, that risk is lower or non-existent. Only list people who will actually drive the car. Adding unnecessary individuals to your policy will unnecessarily increase your premium. Thus, avoid adding your ex-girlfriend or your pet to your policy if they do not intend on driving your car. Keep a clean driving record, and if you have had any traffic violation, you should consider taking defensive driving courses, as many insurance companies will lower your rate if you have taken such classes. If you are looking for car insurance quotes, you should visit insuranceforless.ca, where you can compare quotes and rates. If you live in Canada and looking to find tips about lowering your rates or to compare quotes, then click Car Insurance Quotes Canada. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.